Hello, I'm Robin Black. Today I'm in the studio with Estee Lauder, and with the help of our lovely model Chandler, I'm going to demonstrate 4 simple steps for creating your ultimate nighttime skincare routine. Step 1 is always cleanser, so let's start with a full face of makeup and the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. Warm the cleansing balm by rubbing it between your fingertips, then apply it directly over your makeup and massage in circular motions. This lightweight balm melts into a cleansing oil which transforms when you add water, turning into a milky emulsion that rinses clean. It removes all kinds of makeup and impurities, even pollution. Once you've massaged the balm over your entire face, rinse thoroughly with water and gently pat dry. Step 2 is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. Squeeze a full dropper's worth into your hands and rub them together. Then apply the serum to your skin by starting on either side of your nose and making a heart shape. Work from the center of your face outward and down to your chin. Then trace a larger heart from your forehead out to your temple and down to your chin. And don't forget your neck. This reparative serum dramatically reduces the look of aging, including dryness, dehydration, lines, wrinkles, and lack of radiance. Step 3 is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Creme. Warm the creme between your fingertips, then use a combination of gentle patting, rolling, and blending, working from the center of your face outward. People often ask me why they should use both a serum and a moisturizer. Serums contain concentrated ingredients that are designed to penetrate deep within the skin's surface. Adding the moisturizer on top helps to seal in the serum's benefits. Step 4, the final product in your ultimate nighttime routine, is Advanced Night Repair Eye, a gel creme that helps repair visible signs of eye area aging, including under-eye puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Apply by dotting the creme under each eye. I find that 3 dots is around the right amount. Then use your ring finger to gently tap and roll until the product is absorbed. So in just 4 simple steps, you can wake up every day to glowing, hydrated, more youthful skin. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I reveal more of my Estee favorites.